Bam, guys, look, we have here the OEM. We have the OEM stock valve cover. Let me show you here's the back of it. I don't know if I can transfer this or not. Seems like it's stuck on it. And guys, here's the carbon fiber one that I got. I already I wanted to get some decals like the original one, so I bought a Mitsubishi decal, and I also bought I also got this one, which says the Mivec Turbo on it. I also bought it. So I think it's gonna look way nicer than the red and the black one. It's gonna be all carbon fiber, man. It's gonna be nice. Let me stick the sticker out and then let me show you how it looks with the sticker on. Now that we have the Mitsubishi sticker on it, as you can see, we have here the Mivec Turbo stickers. There's the Mivec. Let me find the Turbo. So they gave me two, which is dope. I can stick it anywhere I want. So I might stick it in my laptop or something. Right, here you go, the Turbo. Wait, they gave me 3 stickers? Oh, okay, so here, yeah, they did give me 3 stickers. Hey, that's awesome. I only paid for 2. I hope they're not watching this or else they'll charge me. Bam! Look, Turbo. Here we go. Look at that. It's nice. So let me stick the songs. I'm gonna try to line them up just like that. Well, as you guys can see, I didn't really think it through. Probably shouldn't have gone black. Probably should have gone like silver, but you guys can kind of tell, right? Let me take this turbo thing off, and then it's gonna start looking like this. Dope. Alright, so let's go see how it's looking right now with this, and I just hung it up on my wall, the stock one. It looks pretty nice right there. Alright, let's go. Alright, so we're gonna install it. See how good it looks in the Evo. So we have here the carbon fiber valve cover. Let me know down in the comments what do you guys think about it. I think it looks amazing. Look at it. So how good. I'm gonna come back with the rag real quick and just clean it up. As you can see, it's got fingerprints and everything all over it, but it looks amazing. I even got the Mivec Turbo sticker on it because I didn't like how just plain it was. And these are high heat stickers, so this thing's not moving, it's not flying off. Next, we just gotta take that off and add the new one that I bought, which I'll show you in a second. But bam! Look how nice it looks. Hold on, I gotta come to the back. I think the thing should be in the back. Where's the little box? There should be a little box in here somewhere. Maybe in the trunk? Could be in the trunk. Let me take a look. Before you guys start complaining how dirty the car is, I haven't washed it yet. Oh, okay, I see it. It's hiding underneath my Pittsburgh Penguins hat. Here it is. Bam! I'll show you in a second, but let me clean the valve cover first so it doesn't look clean. Let me go over here. Ooh, man, it looks so good. Dang. So what we got here today, guys, it is a oil cap, which of course you guys already seen in the previous video. Valve cap. Alright, so as y'all have seen in the previous video, I did get an oil cap that says Rallier on it. I'm gonna show you guys, this is the new one. Look how tough it looks. I think it's gonna look so nice with the carbon fiber. I mean, remove the old one. Dang, that's hard. I'm gonna knock you down, guys. Alright, guys, after a good polish, that's how she came out. And she looked nice. Look at that. So at the moment, guys, I'm working on getting the cap off on this thing out of the oil cap so I can sew my new one. So give me a moment while I take it off. Hey y'all, guys, we're out here again. Thanks to Poppy, he opened the valve cover because it was super hard to get out. He's out here cleaning out his car, but he did help out remove the valve, the oil cap, because it was like super stuck. And ooh, look at that glare! Look at the sunlight glare going in. Dang. I'm gonna get an Instagram picture actually. So if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, it's in the description. It's just Brent Rex. I just post pictures of the Evo and the progress. It's going. Oh, and this one, guys, I'm not wearing my church shoes. I'm wearing my LeBrons. So, no, yeah. All right, so here we have the new cap. It's brand new. Make sure you don't have any trash in there. And let me take the old one that my dad helped me take out. I can see him, so can I? Mira, se puede ver adentro. ¿Qué se queda? No, se puede ver adentro, digo. Alright, that's how it looks inside. Huh? Creo que sí. ¿Seguro? Puedo probar. Yeah. Look. I'm gonna make sure I tied it in good. ¿Te gusta?
Nice.
No se mueve.
Tienes que ajustarlo bien duro porque no se sabe. Porque esa es la vibración más floja y después se cae.
Bueno. There you go, that's as tight as it'll get. But yeah, I'm gonna change my oil soon. So there's gonna be a video out on that. Now let's add the Rallier sticker. So it's gonna be like this. Rallier and then boom. Look at that. That's how it's gonna be. It's gonna look dope.
Nunca llegó a ser campeón, ¿sabes?
Alright, y'all, continuing the vlog. Hope y'all liked the installation of the valve cover. I think it's a really dope little mod that you can do to your little engine cover if you like it. But right now, I was watching the Argentina game. So guys, let's turn this puppy on. In the morning, I don't know why it didn't want to turn on. I hit it, I would turn the key, nothing happened. I don't know why. But we're watching the Argentina game. This is the men's sport. This is Copa America. Comment down, guys, if you guys are watching Copa America or not. Alright, let's go, guys. I'm running a little late, so I gotta get going soon. Alright. Literally watching the game right here. If you guys didn't know, I originate from Argentina. So, of course, I'm going to be supporting Argentina. James Rodriguez is there. But yeah, so I originate from Argentina, so that's why I'm always rooting for Argentina. And like sport and like soccer stuff. That's it. Oh, and for the women's, I'm rooting for obviously Argentina and Australia. So because a lot of you guys watch me on Australia, so I'm rooting for Australia women's team too. All right, I'm gonna show Azan what I got. I'm not recording you, but look. What do you think? Woo!
Is this carbon fiber?
Carbon fiber, bro. And I also got my thingy too. What do you think? Damn, man, I'm stunning on y'all, aren't I?
Yeah, sell the car.
Alright, I'm gonna holler at you later, man. Dude, what do you think though, man? It used to be a little plastic, now it's all carbon fiber.
Can I test drive it?
I'm gonna end the video here, guys. Alright, good night, Dad. Alright. Take a look how it looks, guys. Beautiful. Carbon fiber. Alright, I'm gonna end the video here, guys. I'm gonna see you tomorrow. And that's all, guys. Have a good one. Trying to get the thumbnail. This is how I get the thumbnails.